These muscles right here are the clavotrapezius, and their function is it extends the head, its insertion is the clavicle, and the origin is the occipital bone. And going down these are the acromiotrapeziuses, and the function is they draw the scapula to the median line, and the insertion is the scapula, and the origin is the posterior cervical and thoracic vertebrae. And then down here is the spinal trapezius, and it draws the scapula dorsally, and the insertion is the scapula again, and the origin is the posterior thoracic vertebrae. And then these are the latissimus dorsi muscles on both sides, and they pull the forearm backwards, and the insertion is the humerus, and the origin is the mid-dorsal line of the posterior thoracic and lumbar region. And then the muscle right here, it goes around front, and this is the clavobrachialis, and it extends the head, turns the head, and flexes the elbow, and the insertion is the ulna, and the origin is the clavicle. And right here, this muscle is the acromiodeltoid, and it abducts the humerus, and its insertion is the proximal end of the humerus, and the origin is the scapula. And right next to it is the spinodeltoid right here, and it abducts the humerus as well, and its insertion is just the humerus, and the origin is the spine of the scapula. Now these muscles right here, these are all the triceps brachii. This one's the long head, and right in here is the medial, and then this is the lateral. And all of their functions is they extend the forelimb, and the insertion is the ulna, and the origin is the humerus and the scapula.